Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to save your file on Google Drive. So if you are using laptop or PC, just you have to sign in your Gmail account, then click here. In this list, click on Drive. Now here click on New. You can upload folder or file. Just if you want to upload a file, so select File Upload. You will see a list of files. Select it, then click on Open. Now wait for few minutes till this uploading process will complete. Once this process will complete, you will see your files here. You can share your file once you right click on it. You can get link. You can see the file location. And also you can download from here. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.